gladly pay you today, or I'll gladly pay you Tuesday for a hamburger today.
I'll gladly pay you Tuesday for a burger today.
There you go. You're gonna order? I want to hear you say it.
Didn't you?
Huh?
Didn't you hear me?
No, you say it up there.
That was the same.
Não, mas eu achei que não nasceu.
Mas
Oh, Meg is a park pass too.
Eu sei, o outro aqui, moça, porque falaram que você ia de ontem pra hoje. Ontem ia pra cá. Você vai ficar muito tempo.
What? And back.
Back.
Tem uma camiseta mó ruim pro povo. Aí do lado nosso, a gente tira o popstar pro pai, a camiseta e mais 5 camisetas. E se seca pra toalha, a gente vai comprar. Tá frio? A gente vai ter uma camiseta daquela ali, ó. Rosa, tá vendo?
Tirar molhado, de olho lá dentro.
Too wide.
A gente compra o show. A gente tem que usar o short mesmo.
Can I get it with no tomatoes or onions? And I gotta see some pass and I want to get some water. Okay. Okay, no problem. I thought I'd try.
What happened?
It doesn't get a discount.
Oh.
I don't have to try. No, no ice. Thank you.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What?
I think she said she'll gladly pay you Tuesday for a hamburger today.
I'm so tired.
No, I didn't know who said that. I'm like, what are y'all talking about? Because I ain't know. I'm like, it's like Mr. Wimpy
They
said.
didn't give you a heads
I
up.
say, please. I say, I don't know nothing about that shit.
That's awesome.
But I say, Mr. Universal say he need his money today.
I like that.
I'm telling them all the time they tell me that. What's your name, baby love?
Smiley.
Smiley?
Yeah, that's me.
All right. Okay, sugar. All right, my love. That's 1756. I like that. Smiley.
You don't want to do nothing for me, so calm down.
Say we need Mr. Day running today. Now when I need mine, well, I can't get mine till Friday. That's yes, honey, but I've been working for the company. December made 32 years.
Nice.
Wow, that's awesome.
Nice.
What do you mean by that? That I don't want ever to do anything for
I was
you.
doing something that you didn't want to do, so I was over there talking to the lady. Okay, now when I'm done,
I was kind of afraid.
you should